Hey, what's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karbin Gab and you're watching Disney Channel. No. What the f***? In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to dome your resin jewelry pieces. Now for starters, what is doming? Doming is when you have a flat piece and you turn it into a curvature piece type of thing. For example, I have this kind of lens thing. Imagine if you have your resin jewelry piece and it's flat and all of a sudden you add a resin layer and it's sort of curvy. I think you guys can see. Why am I showing this? I can actually just show you a resin piece that I made. For example, doming is when you have this curvature that you guys can see, sort of curvy in the edges, and it just brings out a beautiful gloss feel. So that when the light hits it, it's actually very nice. Now, why should you do this, you ask? Well, let me tell you. First of all, it gives it a very beautiful, sort of crystal clear vibe to it. It just makes it pop out. I would say youthful, but it doesn't make sense. And if you have flat molds like this, over time, this mold will degrade with the use of resin because a lot of heat goes into it. Yeah, over time, it won't look as pretty and shiny as this. It will just become matte. If you want to know more about that, check out my video on molds. I'll leave it in the thingy that appears right here. To get started, you're gonna need the following things. Just one of these, literally just a doming tray. This is actually a very cheap doming tray that you guys can check out. It's by Little Windows. It works phenomenal. But I also saw, I don't have it, but I also saw that this brand, they sent me their resin. I love this brand. They have great resin if you guys want to check it out. Am I affiliated to them? Hell no. Point is, they have a doming tray or a tray, like a silicone mat, that works perfectly for doming. The only thing is, it's kind of expensive, but I think it's worth it, or the material, the size, and yeah, that's pretty much it. With that being said, voiceover Karbin, take it from here. You got the wrong Karbin. It's the wrong voiceover Karbin. I'm really sorry. Sometimes these videos really do get messed up, so I'll transfer you right now. I'm sorry, you guys. It's my first day on the job. I'm back. Don't worry about it. Anywho, I started the doming process after sanding and washing my pieces. As you guys can see, I threw them there, I dried them, and I organized them. It is very important to me to organize them to just make sure that I have the piece and the counter back so that they're paired. For doming, I really like to use this craft resin since it's very thick and it helps me actually get those borders and edges perfectly. I recommend it to you guys. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can get a little bit percentage off your order if you guys are interested in trying it out. I review it in another video, so I'll leave that in the description as well. For doming, you're gonna want to use a stick that is light, that is thin if you're using small pieces. If you're using big pieces, go ahead and pour it all in if you want to. But personally, I like the edges to be just curled up very nicely, like a lens type of feel. So I take this process very slowly, take my time, no worries, just don't be impatient. After finishing my pieces, I go on top of it with a lighter just to make sure that all the bubbles are out, and that's pretty much it when it comes to doming. The next day I come back and I just dome the other part, and that's it. As you guys can see, you got that really beautiful lens feel. It looks very glossy, very beautiful. I'd say, I don't know. Comment it down below if you think it's beautiful. Oh, and how could I forget? Of course, use Karbin 25 on partial safety for your mask because you guys want to be safe, want to be healthy, want to be beautiful. All of that juicy goosey stuff. Look at me just doing my Doja Cat moves, like, oh damn. Anyways, okay, yeah, bye. So like I said, I domed the pieces in the back the next day, and this is the finished product. After this, you could just go ahead and drill them and mount them and make your jewelry pieces. It's that simple to dome your pieces. Of course, this is a process with making jewelry. It won't be fast, to be honest, but it is worth the wait, and the results are just beautiful at times. Oh, we're back. Oh, okay, my bad. I think he already explained everything when it comes to doming. I recommend it, do it. It's very beautiful, I guess. I hope you guys got a lot of knowledge on that. Hopefully, maybe not. If you guys like this video, make sure to leave it a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see next, or anything, absolutely anything. Comment anything, like the word anything, and I'll make sure to know that you guys reached this point. Check out my social media pages like that one, that one. And I also sell jewelry sometimes, so check it out, like that one. I think it's on Etsy as well. That's pretty much it, actually. So, yeah, if you guys want to stick around, I guess you can. Yeah, no, leave. Peace and love. Bye, guys. Oh, you're still here, huh? I guess you wanted a kiss from me. I can give it to you. Don't worry. Wait, are you 18 plus? If you aren't, just leave. But if you are, I guess you can just yeah, come on. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. No. I promise I wouldn't do that.